This is attorney Nathan Vining here with Vining Legal. I have a new case result to share today. This was for a public intoxication charge out of Marion County, Indiana, and it's a case that ultimately got dismissed. Here we have the charging information for the case. You can see my client was charged late in 2019 with public intoxication. It was a charge under Indiana Code 7.1-5-1-3, and you can see they were charged with a Class B misdemeanor. This was the kind of situation where the person drank too much and came into contact with the police while intoxicated, and based on the behavior, the police had concern for the person's safety, and ultimately the person was taken in and they were charged with public intoxication as a Class B misdemeanor. After this person was arrested, they fortunately hired us. What we did is we attended the initial hearing, we attended some pretrial conferences, and ultimately we were able to negotiate a pretrial diversion. What a pretrial diversion is, it's an agreement with the state where if you complete and satisfy certain requirements, paying a fee, doing community service, and staying out of trouble for a prescribed period, the state agrees to dismiss the case. So what that means is, through the diversion, this person was ultimately able to achieve a dismissal in their case. And what we have right here is the motion to dismiss the case, where you have the state of Indiana here moving just a couple weeks ago to dismiss all counts in the above captioned case. And the reason for that, as indicated in the motion, was because of the pretrial diversion. So here we have a public intoxication charge from Marion County, Indiana in Court 7 that was ultimately dismissed as a result of pretrial diversion. It's a great result in your case, and after 1 year, you have an option to expunge that arrest, and ultimately you would have nothing on your record as a result of this case. So if you or anyone you know is facing a public intoxication charge in Indiana have questions, you can learn more about the charge through watching a video I have on public intoxication and reading more about it on my website. You can also call me if you have questions. I'd be happy to review your case and talk about what the options could be in your situation. Ultimately, a public intoxication charge could result in up to a year in jail. It could result in probation, or it could even result in community corrections, home detention, or probation. It's really just dependent on a person's criminal history, the facts of the case, and what you're able to achieve through working on your case.